everybody, this is Lyndon, and if you want to check our experiments out, you can follow our experiment videos, and our experiments videos are called Saturday experiments for kids. So what you need for this experiment is you need some cabbage. You have to blend it with some water and only pick a few leaves off of it. A straw, lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda, and laundry soap. So what you want to do is you want to get your spoons. And it doesn't matter which one you put in first, but make sure there's none in this middle cup. So that means you need 5 cups. And the middle one, leave it how it is. So what you do is you get anything you want that you have here. So I'm going to start with my lemon juice, and then you pour all of it in, and then see how it turned into like a reddish. That's maybe going to turn into the same one as this one, but let's find out. Yeah, it kind of did, but now let's see what happens when we put this in these ones. It turns blue. You can't really see it that good because it's almost like the same, but it's actually blue. And then get your last one and dump it in. And see what it is. It's teal. And then get anything you want to mix it, like a straw, maybe if you like, and then mix it for as long as you like, until it turns clear, and you can actually see it. Not like this until it's black. But I think we should end the experiment today. Bye.